No. Shh. Hey.
You're gonna help him?
Yeah.
So I want to make it clear that it's not that humping is not allowed, because humping is a very important part of dog socialization. I inserted myself there because it is new for Charlie, Murphy, and Toby. And so I want to make sure that they can hear me. I want to remind them of who I am in this situation, so that we can make sure that things go the direction that we ultimately like, and that the relationship between these three dogs ends up being positive. And so this is the reason I inserted myself there, and not because humping is not allowed. It's important that we're in the driver's seat, because if we're not, then we're just crossing our fingers hoping it goes well and that everything ends up being positive. Or we will be too scared to get into social situations and will always avoid. And to me, I want to be able to open my life and the dogs' lives up so that we can all have a wonderful time.